Welcome back to AVP Auto. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, the all-new 2025 Suzuki 4x4 camper van. Whether you're a weekend adventurer, an off-road explorer, or just someone who loves the freedom of the open road, this compact beast is designed to bring your camping game to a whole new level. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2025 Suzuki 4x4 camper van, it gives off that tough, ready-for-anything vibe. It's compact but doesn't compromise on presence. The lifted stance, chunky all-terrain tires, and rugged cladding scream adventure. Suzuki has managed to blend practicality with a modern rugged look, and it totally works. The front end sports sharp LED headlights, a robust grille, and a skid plate that hints at its off-road capabilities. And don't let the size fool you, this van is built to tackle trails just as confidently as it cruises down highways. Now let's talk power. Under the hood, this camper van packs a surprisingly punchy 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, mated with either a 5-speed manual or a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission. But the real magic? Suzuki's All-Grip Pro 4x4 system. It's a selectable 4-wheel drive with low-range gearing, giving you serious off-road chops. You can switch between 2WD for daily drives, 4WD high for rough roads, and 4WD low for steep climbs or muddy trails. Whether you're heading deep into the woods or across rocky terrain, this van has your back. Stepping inside the camper, you're greeted by a super efficient layout. Suzuki has absolutely nailed the use of space. Even though it's compact on the outside, the inside feels spacious, cozy, and functional. The camper conversion comes factory ready, or you can get it as a base and customize it to your style. In the standard setup, you've got a foldable bed that comfortably sleeps two, a compact kitchenette with a sink, induction stove, mini fridge, and even a bit of storage for your essentials. There's overhead cabinet space, ambient LED lighting, and surprisingly good insulation for all-weather comfort. You also get privacy shades and tinted windows to make overnight camping feel more secure and private. The front cabin is modern and minimal. Suzuki has kept the dashboard simple but functional. There's a 9-inch touchscreen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, navigation, and even a reversing camera. The driver's seat gives a nice commanding view of the road, and everything is within easy reach. USB ports, cup holders, smart storage solutions, it's all there. Plus, with built-in solar panels and a secondary battery system, you can stay off-grid longer without worrying about running out of juice. Let's talk dimensions and driving practicality. The 2025 Suzuki 4x4 camper van is easy to drive, park, and maneuver. It's about 4.3 meters long and under 2 meters tall, so it fits in regular parking spots and under most height barriers, a big win for city folks or anyone who wants a stealth camper. Ground clearance. A solid 8.5 inches. That means it's capable enough to clear obstacles and rocky paths with confidence. On the highway, it cruises comfortably at 70 miles per hour, and thanks to its compact size and aerodynamic shape, the wind noise is impressively low. Fuel efficiency is another strong point. Suzuki claims around 28 to 30 miles per gallon, which is pretty fantastic for a 4x4 camper. This makes it one of the most economical camper vans in its category. And with a 13-gallon fuel tank, you can cover long distances without frequent refueling stops. That's more freedom and fewer headaches on long trips. Now let's get into safety. The 2025 Suzuki 4x4 camper van is equipped with ABS, EBD, hill descent control, traction control, dual airbags, and even lane departure warning. It might be compact, but Suzuki didn't skimp on making it feel safe and secure, especially when you're traveling off-grid. It's not overloaded with tech, but the essentials are well integrated and add peace of mind on every journey. One of the coolest features. The modular roof rack and built-in ladder system. You can carry bikes, boards, extra cargo, or even a rooftop tent for larger groups. It's also equipped with an external shower port, perfect for rinsing off after a hike or cleaning your gear. And if you like to cook outdoors, the sliding side door gives you access to a pull-out table and a 270-degree awning that turns the whole side of the van into a shaded chill-out zone. In terms of real-world usability, this camper van shines. Whether you're off-roading through forest trails, cruising coastal roads, or just setting up camp in a quiet spot under the stars, it offers just the right balance between rugged performance and livable comfort. It's not oversized, not underpowered, it hits that sweet spot for solo travelers or couples who want to go off-grid without the hassle of driving a giant RV. If you're wondering about customization, Suzuki is offering multiple packages, from off-road accessories like snorkels, roof racks, and upgraded suspension to interior add-ons like heating systems, pop-up roofs, and smart storage modules. You can start with a basic setup and build it out as your adventures grow. And let's not forget about pricing. Suzuki has always been known for affordability, and they've stayed true to that with this van. Depending on the trim and options, the base model starts around $29,000, and a fully equipped camper version can go up to $38,000. For a brand new 4x4 camper with real off-road capabilities and decent comfort, that's a seriously attractive price point. The 2025 Suzuki 4x4 camper van is for people who want to break free from the usual, explore without limits, and do it all without breaking the bank. It's fun to drive, easy to maintain, and built with a sense of adventure. Whether you're chasing sunsets, mountain trails, or quiet lakeside mornings, this van is your reliable partner on the road. So, what do you think? Would you take this mini beast on your next adventure? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what kind of journeys you'd take with the 2025 Suzuki 4x4 camper van. If you enjoyed this review and want more in-depth looks at the coolest camper vans, off-road rigs, and camping gear, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching AVP Auto, where the wild is your home, and the road never ends. See you in the next one.